Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can do custom templates or part inside SOLIDWORKS. So if you click here and if you go for a new part, and if you are a novice, you will see something like this, which is part, assembly or drawing. These are the three different workspace that you can choose inside SOLIDWORKS. But if I switch it to advanced, I will get a template, NBD and tutorial. So for template, we have some basic templates right over here. We have a part template, we have a wooden part template, and we have a assembly template. So you can pretty much create your own templates, and let's say you're working in an organization and they have a particular kind of setup for the part design going on. So you can create a sample part template and you can use it for all the further modeling work. So let's see how we can quickly create this. I will go for switch it to novice, new part. Okay, now we are basically in a part design environment and we can pretty much create our own part template over here. So the very first thing that you could do is come to your unit system and select your required unit system. Let's say I'll go for IPS. The other settings that you can tweak is you can come to material, edit material, and select your material. Let's say I'll go for ductile iron, apply and close. So now I have assigned my unit, I have assigned my material. The other thing that we can do is come to settings, come to document properties. If you want, you can change all these different things. If you have in mind, let's say different drafting standard, you can also set your own system options. So whatever you do inside document properties will be used for that part only. So yeah, and let's say you are done with all the tweaks and stuff, you can add or remove toolbar also. So let's say I want to add evaluate toolbar. I will just right click over here, up to tab, and add the evaluate toolbar. Now I have the evaluate toolbar, and then we can pretty much go and save this as not as a SolidWorks part, but I will go for a part template, and I will call this, let's say, ductile iron. Let's add inches as well, and you can go for default location which SolidWorks give you, or you can create your own location as well. So I'll just save it now, and if I close this and when I go for open, see, I'm directly going into that folder. But let's say I'll go for advanced now, and right now you can see I have the template already added. Okay, so that's how you can create your own part templates. Similar to this one, you can also create assembly templates as well as drawing templates inside SolidWorks. I hope you guys like it, and if you have any doubts with this one, feel free to comment down below. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.